emerges a force like no other. A force that has stood the test of time, with a legacy that started in 1835. In the year 1826, the Anglo-Burmese War ended and we were born and named the Kachar Levy and later recognized as the Frontier Force along with Jorhat Levy and Kuki Levy. We are proud to be the oldest paramilitary force in India. Further the title, the Assam Rifles in 1970. Apart from soldiering, we render all types of socio-economic services to the needy, including promoting education, raising infrastructure, providing medical care, implementing government development schemes, providing vocational training, preparing aspirants for defense recruitment and higher studies, building water supply chains, and above all, providing empathy and love. We are the first responders to any natural calamity in the Northeast. It is part of our behavior. Be it floods of 2021-22 or the landslides, earthquakes in the past or any such call for our help. We stand strong with the locals, staying true to our accolade as friends of the Northeast. Assam Rifles uses education to secure a better future for children. This is done through initiatives like the Assam Rifles Public Schools, Center of Excellence, and the residential Bhaijun Bhutia Football School.
Assam Rifles is the reason why I have gotten comfortable in my own skin, why I have been able to embrace life's challenges, and if it wasn't because of this school, I think I'd pretty much be the same timid child that I was back then.
Coaching is provided to children from below poverty line families to appear for Sainik school entrance exams and also for pre-training of Agniveers, and the results have been inspiring. These brave and consolidated men and women soldiers of Assam Rifles, when passing out, take a pledge to be truthful and forthright, humane, cultured and compassionate, always protect the weak, staying true to the motto of valor, glory and sacrifice. The Assam Rifles will continue to serve as a shining example